Welcome back, all my legends. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Ji Moore. I'm an entrepreneur, business owner, and a day trader. So today's video, I want to show you guys a secret about trading with the trend, drawing trend lines, and basically drawing channels, right? So basically, I like to trade with the trend. So this little secret, it helps you guys identify the trend easier without having to guess the tops and bottoms. So you can draw the trend line, okay? So let's get to the chart. So you guys see here, the chart is bearish chart right here. So the secret is basically using an indicator called the Zig Zag right here. Every MT4 has it. And basically the inputs, I just leave it at 12, 5, and 3. Those are just the defaults. Colors, I just like to change it to yellow just to see it bright, and put it at 4 to see it bigger. So you can see here now it basically tells you the tops and bottoms, and you can just easily draw the trend lines here, for example. And there you go. You kind of see how the trend's going down. You see the trend's going down a little bit. You zoom in. Okay, so you'll be looking for a sell here. Basically, when the channels are going down like this, you only want to sell once on the top of the channel, and you only want to buy when if the channel's going up. So let's just zoom out here. Let's just go randomly here. So here, you can just draw the channels here, bam, here to here. So now you kind of have a good idea where the channel's going. And see here, it stays on the channel, breaks the channel. So you'll be able to draw another channel going up here. The good thing about this is that basically you just see the tops and the bottoms, and it's just more clear than trying to identify exactly where it is or you're guessing. I like to use channels with other confirmations, but this is just a secret that I found that helps you guys be able to identify the trend better. So as you can see here, it looks like the trend's going up, so you can just draw, or let's see where it goes from here actually. Okay, so you can draw trend here, you can draw that to this point. I'll just put it here actually, because there's 2 points here. See where it goes, breaks through, comes back in the channel. Look at that, how it respects that right there. Comes back. So right here, you'll be looking for buy. So you only want to buy when it hits down here, and buy when it hits here. There you go. See. So basically, that's about it. You guys just look for that, and you guys look for the tops and the bottoms using the zigzag, and basically helps you guys identify the trend easier, and basically it helps you guys improve you guys trading. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, and if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'll be dropping some more videos for you guys if you guys enjoy this. Depending on what you guys like, I'll post more of that. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope this brings you guys much success in trading, and I'll see you guys in the next video.